welcome back. Today's makeup video is a full face of MAC. This is a series I've been doing. I've done Mecca, Kmart, quite a few, so I think I'll make a playlist actually of them if you guys are interested. Still have some stuff in my collection, but I feel like throughout the years, I don't know, my lipsticks have like expired and that kind of thing. I've been moving countries, like ended up with not that much MAC stuff, so yeah, this is gonna be a lot of first impressions as well because I have so many new products here to try. So yeah, I'm actually getting ready for a work event. I'm just gonna chat while I'm getting ready. So this product here is strobe cream. I used to love this way back in the beauty guru days. This was like the it product and I used to love it, so hopefully I still like it. There's like different reflex you can buy now. There's the original, there's like a pink one, a yellow one. By reflect, I just mean like the little shimmers in it. I figured because of my skin color, the more silvery one would probably suit me better. I also bought Lightscapade, which I'm so excited because it used to be my favorite highlighter. I still have Soft and Gentle, but that's better for like a bronzy look. It's gonna be good. And I bought a new foundation to try. I'm just taking these Exo Beauty hair clips. These are so good, I love them. This is just MAC Fix Plus. They were out of stock of my concealer, but I managed to pick up a powder and a foundation. This is the Studio Sculpt. I've never tried it. This is NW15. I'll link down below the website I used. It was a shade finder because I was just confused because I feel like everything's either NW or NC, which is like warm or cool, and I'm neutral. So I was like, will any of the foundations work? But yeah, some of them are just randomly a neutral color. So if you use that foundation shade finder thing, you'll be able to find one because that was super helpful for me. Sorry, I don't really have that many MAC brushes, so I'm just going to use my own brushes. Okay, it's like thicker, definitely thicker than MAC face and body, which is nice because I find that a little bit like a skin tint really. I know it's buildable, but this feels like the perfect in between of that and Studio Fix. Oh, that is so nice. I don't even need the sponge to be honest. Like the way that has just melted into the skin, everything looks good over strobe cream. I'm going to keep using this. This is such a great neutral color. It really reminds me of the Korean BB creams I buy. Thinking I might do a wing that's got like grey and smoky colors like around it. I need my makeup to match this dress here. Sorry, it's doubled up on literally like a Kmart dress behind it. But yeah, it's this really cute ruched au poly dress. I'll put in a photo. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix and set my face. Oh, I forgot I bought this whole like powder contour palette. Let's try that next. I'll go in with one of these cooler ones now. Why am I profusely sweating? Okay, I'm gonna change into a singlet. 1 second. Whoa, that's a really nice contour shade. This is just the middle one here. I think I placed it a bit low. Oh no, we will rebuild. I'm gonna set under my eyes with these two. I'm just gonna like mix them. I just do like under my lash line so that my lower lash mascara doesn't smudge. I know it's thrilling stuff. But just in case you guys were wondering. I mean, I guess I don't really need it now, but let's put on a little bit. So excited. I used to actually really love this powder and I definitely didn't have the right shade for me. It was like way too yellow. I think Shan gave it to me or something, but I still used to use it all the time. So soft. I forget how finely milled MAC's powders are. Like they really are a superior formula. Like I've just been using the Rimmel Stay Matte and I mean it's all good, but it does sit on your skin. Whereas these are so fine. You can't even see them. Wow, my base looks so good. Okay, let's do highlighter. Actually, let's do blush. So this is actually a cream blush. Me remembering that as I hold it up, like I should have used this before I set my entire face. The shade is Blush Please. Wait, is this a cream? Oh, whoa, it's like a hybrid formula. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so this will actually layer fine over powder. It's like a really silky powder that's like slightly moist. I hate to use that word, but it's got like a gel powder kind of formula. Work it over dry or wet products. Oh, there we go. I just wasn't pressing hard enough. Oh, now I've got way too much. Ah, the age-old tale. This is just like me in my Ciate video. I put on way too much blush. Just gonna blend this hectically. Oh, it's blended really nicely. I really have forgotten how good MAC is. Like I forget their artistry grade. But they just used to have so much hype because there wasn't as much availability for other brands, if you know what I mean. So MAC was like the go-to, and I feel like sometimes they get drowned out because there's so many new up-and-coming brands. But honestly, a lot of the time, those new collections that are coming out all the time and they're like unicorn and mermaid and blah blah blah. It's just like the thought wasn't there. Like the products themselves aren't actually good in terms of performance. It's just all about packaging, and there's definitely a place for those biggest fun products, but if you want quality, like MAC definitely delivers every time. Like my skin has not looked this good in so long. It literally looks airbrushed right now. I'm a dry, crusty person right now because of all my sinus issues, and I look glowing. Like this is giving me like Hourglass blush vibes. It is so smooth and pretty. I also bought a bronzer and a separate highlighter, but I'm not mad at it because MAC bronzers are so good. I can already tell Britt is gonna want to steal this from me because I gave her one from the Kabuki collection years ago, and he came out with really great products, and one of them was this bronzer duo, and she's like used it to pan, and it's pretty much this color, so she'll probably steal this off me. But one of the brushes from his collection was the 218 special edition, and I still use it to this day. It's like the most delicate, fluffy crease brush, but it's so small and it's amazing for detail work. It's like a true bronzer, whereas those other ones have definitely contoured my face. Oh, I forgot I got this Dazzle shadow. No, you don't understand how pretty these are. I looked up swatches. It's really hard to pick, but this one is literally, oh, it's so pretty. I feel like I want to do my makeup on TikTok with this. Damn, I should have done one of those TikToks where you're like doing Nicki Minaj raps and then you like look back and you've got another step done. Hindsight is a beautiful thing. Anyway, this is the shade Diamond Crumbles. This is the MAC eyebrow styler, and I got the shade Brunette. If you have similar brows to me, this is a really good color. I did used to buy MAC brow pencils a lot in the past. They're like my go-to. Now I kind of only use Benefit, but honestly using this, it's really popping off. So what? This is so natural. Wait, should I zoom you guys in? This was more like, you know, the before. It's quite patchy and you can really see where the thick hair ends and the sparse hair starts, but very impressed. Arch this one a tiny bit more. Did I look bitchin' in my Opoly dress? It was like a Flynn Rider face. Lightscapade. It's like coming home to an old friend, you know. I still love this highlighter. It's so non-chunky. It really reminds me of the XO Beauty highlighters. If you guys don't like chunky products, definitely check those out too. But gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Pretty sure years ago I put it in a favorite products for fair skin video, but if you find that you can see where you put your highlighter, you know, like more bronzy and pinky ones, you can get that stripe, particularly when you're looking away if you are fairer. This one won't leave a color to your skin because as you can see, it's very pale, but it just really bounces the light off. New base routine. Are you kidding? No wonder I used to always look so flawless, because I actually like put good products on my face, because now I just literally slap on under eye concealer and like cream bronzer and just call it a day. Time to make up my single eyeshadow pan. Just in case you guys haven't seen these, I think they're in the Pro tab on the website, but I'm not a MAC Pro member and like I was still able to buy it. Should you wish to remove them, you can pop through this little hole with your finger and it will pop out the shadow. So you can interchange the colors and stuff like that, and then they just click back in. So good for traveling because you can put your favorite 4 colors in here and that kind of thing. As I say, I've kind of messed up and I bought 2 in the pots by accident, but I'll put my 2 pan shadows in here now. I got Carbon because I always love to do eyeliner and smoke it out, just like a true matte black color. So it just sits in there like that and it doesn't, you know, come out. It's magnetic. I mean, I'm sure you guys have all seen how the MAC palettes work, but just in case you haven't. And I also got, this one's cracked. It literally just fell over everything. I'm gonna like tip the crumblings into here. At least the whole thing didn't shatter. It's just like the top layer. It's the shade Print and it's like a gray color. Now I'm just grateful nothing else has shattered because the package might have gotten dropped or something. I'm not sure, but at least it's still got like a pan's worth of shadow. So I was thinking this could be like a smoky kind of eye palette. And as a transitional shade, I got this one here, which is Cozy Gray. You know, just to like blend things out because it's basically my skin color. And then for a lid color, I got Satin Taupe. Everyone loves this one. You know, it depends on what satin taupe you get. I feel like some of them are more purpley and some of them are more browny, just in my experience. This one looks like a nice, just true taupey color. If you can imagine like that as the quad, so pretty. I was just thinking for traveling, you know, and then you can pack your pop of color like something like this to switch up the looks, but I just think for like base shades, these are so perfect. I did bring my bronzer into my crease as always, so I'm just going to put a little bit of Cozy Gray all over just to give a nice blendable base. Nothing grabs and patches. And next I'll do some Satin Taupe on the lid. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. I even forgot to add Fix Plus, but look at that. I like to sort of wing my shadow when I know I'm doing a wing. Just a blob there by accident, love that. Just like blending this with my flat brush. Just to soften this, I'll take some of Cozy Gray again. I knew this quad would be great. very pleased with myself. I had to do the classic like look up swatches online. So many resources online where you can look up the swatches. Like these colors came even better than I expected, to be honest. This pencil eyeliner is really creamy. I put some carbon in the outer corner too. This is so perfect to go with my poly dress because it's like got that pink reflect to it. Honestly, I was gonna wear that dress when I've got a self tan because they actually sent me that dress. They're not paying me, but they're like, hey, you want a dress if you like post in it? And I was like, yeah, sure, because like I'm always going to events and stuff, so I need to post it within 2 weeks of it arriving, and it's been like a week and a half, so I have to post about it today, but I haven't had time to fake tan and chat with you and catch up. I do need to do a little bit of liner because I want to put on lashes. I got these really pretty ones, but they're in little clumps. They look kind of like individuals. They are the A50 lashes. There was like some pretty ones on there that kind of look like the Ardell Demi Wispies, but they were out of stock. I'm so gross. I'm just like licking the makeup with my fingers. Actually might do my tight line too. It's like muggy but overcast. It's like a storm. Like it's so ugh. Good weather to stay in bed and play Animal Crossing, but unfortunately I cannot do that. You know what else I miss being a kid? I always see on TikTok those like nostalgia ones. Those are the days, like the VCR tapes, playing games in your room with your friends. Again, this liner is just so superior. Like the pencil side is so much creamier than the tart one. And this is so skinny at the tip. Like it's not bleeding. It's getting right into the inner corner and it's so precise. MAC, you just really kill it every time. To me, they were always a pricier brand, but they're pretty on par with everyone now. Like I used to spend all my money on MAC when I was at uni. Like I'd literally not even eat and I'd just go to Mecca and I'd go to MAC and buy like a new lipstick with my food money for the week. This is duo, but I believe they sell this at MAC. I'm just gonna speed up doing my lashes and lips and everything and then show you guys because I've only got 15 minutes till I have to leave. So guys, I just got changed and this is the final look. I'll zoom you in a little bit better so you can see the makeup. My lash glue is still slightly drying, so please excuse that, but this is the finished look. I probably would have done a more nudie lip if I wasn't wearing a pink dress. I'll write the name of the MAC lipstick I used down below, and I just paired it with Boldly Bare lip liner. That's the shade Boldly Bare. It's one of my favorite ones. The mascara was actually surprisingly good, especially for my bottom lashes. Zoom in. Oh, it's literally started torrential raining here, so it's not ideal for going out in the rain right now. I don't even have an umbrella, but luckily I'm parked right outside, so that's good. I feel very overdressed right now. This event's in K Road at least. So yeah, it's actually really rare to do a full face and not have any fails. I'm just trying to think. Everything was good, which is actually insane. And I've got like a particular skin type too. Like I'm quite dry and I'm a unique kind of neutral undertone, but everything was perfect. So if you guys have similar coloring and skin type and stuff to me, definitely check out MAC. I'll link all the products down below. Yeah, like legit was blown away with everything. And these lashes are really pretty too. I was gonna put mascara on them because they're quite natural. I think I'll just leave them because then I can reuse them for a more fresher look where I haven't got the heavy liner and everything on. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Oh, not the comb getting caught in my hair. Ugh, so this is my dress. You can literally see my underwear in it. I wasn't aware how see-through it was, so I had to put on like nipple covers. Super cute, it's like ruched all the way. And so I'm gonna wear this blazer over it so I'm not too like OTT. You know, walking down K Road in the middle of the day. So yeah, that's my look. Oh, and my jewelry. So there we have it, guys. That is my full face of MAC Cosmetics. I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.